Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy Google Meet Premium step by step. If you want to access advanced meeting features for work, school, or business, this tutorial is for you. On your Google Meet dashboard, if you want a premium account, all you have to do is click Upgrade in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and choose Continue. You can review the features included in the premium plan right here. This includes a custom email address, the Gemini AI assistant, and a professional appointment calendar. All of these come with your premium plan. Once you're happy with what's included, click Continue to move on to the payment options. Take a moment to go through the premium features listed here to make sure everything looks good. You can enter your details here or save them for manual entry later. When you're ready, go ahead and click Try at no cost for 14 days. You'll then be taken to the checkout review page where you can enter your ID and tax information. You can also add your payment method here. Just fill in the details on this page. Once your payment method is added, click Agree and start the free trial. This will set up your monthly premium subscription. This process helps you subscribe to a Google Workspace plan that includes Meet Premium features like longer meetings, recording options, and enhanced collaboration tools. We'll walk you through choosing a plan, completing the purchase, and activating your premium features.